What's up guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the lids or covers on both the Gamma Ergo and also the Gamma Evo. People always ask me how I get my clipper to look different. The Gamma clippers come with all different styles of colors, interchangeable lids. In this case, I have the Gamma Ergo. This one comes with the gold, rose gold, and also the silver lids. If you want some of the other colors, you do have to go on Gamma and order those, whether it be the Mag Ergo lids or the Stylecraft lids, and then you can mix and match. The Ergo comes with two lids. It's an upper lid and then the bottom lid. They can both be switched. So I'm going to show you guys today exactly how to do that, and I'm also going to show you how to do it on the Evo. First step is you're going to need a screwdriver. It doesn't really have to be anything fancy. I do have an electric screwdriver, but just a regular one that comes with the Gamma clippers will be just fine. And it does need to be Phillips, of course. The first step that we're going to do to take the lids off is we're going to grab our screwdriver, and there's going to be 4 screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Grab our screwdriver, and then we're going to take all 4 of those screws out. Once the screws are loosened and taken out, you can take the lid off. Now you have the clipper and you have the lid, 2 separate pieces. Now the lid, like I said, it comes in 2 pieces, so the bottom part and also the top part. The top part is held by 5 screws in the inside. I don't have all 5 in because you really don't need all 5 to hold it in. That's all up to you as to how many you want to put in, as long as the lid is being held in place. So in order to separate the top half from the bottom half, what you're going to need to do is you need to grab your screwdriver and you're going to take those screws out. Once the screws are out, the lid will simply pop off. Some of them are a little harder to take off, so don't feel as if you're going to break them. Just push a little bit harder until it does come off into 2 pieces. So this is the top piece and the bottom piece. They slide right on when you line them up with the holes. So once the lid is taken off, you're going to grab your new lid, or really the lid that you want to put on. Once you have the other lid that you want to put on, I'm gonna put the stock gold Gamma lid. Since I am gonna use the gold on gold, I'm gonna screw in the gold top lid. Then I'm going to simply screw the case back on by tightening those 4 screws that we loosened up in the beginning. That's pretty much it. The lid is on the Ergo. And like I said before, if you want to switch the top lid, you just take those screws off, put the new lid on, put the screws back on, and then put the 4 screws in the back on in order to put the lid on. For the Evo, the Gamma Evo, pretty much gonna follow the same steps, except that's different from the Evo. This one comes in 3 pieces. It has the piece with the button, the middle body, and then the cover on the top for the blade. And just like the Ergo, it comes with 4 screws on the back that's gonna hold the lid, and 2 screws that's gonna hold the clipper cover. We're going to unscrew all 4 of the screws. In order to take off the blade cover, there will be 2 more screws right above the screws that were holding the lid in place. You're going to unscrew those screws. The Evo, it comes into 3 pieces. They are interchangeable. It's pretty much the same steps as the Gamma Ergo. The Evos come with 4 screws in the inside. When they are loosened up and taken out, you're able to change the button. Cover. And that's when you're able to customize and interchange the lids. So it is a 3-piece for the Evo. We're gonna follow the same steps in reverse in order to put our new lid on. I am gonna keep the blue button cover and the blue middle cover for the sake of the video. I'm going to put it right back onto the Evo, and then I'm going to add the clipper cover. I'm going to use the pink one in this instance, and these are the Gamma Stylecraft Evos, so they do come with the different color templates. It comes with the metallic blue, the metallic pink, and also the black. Once you have put the lid and also the blade cover, then we're going to follow the same steps by simply putting the screws back on. And there you have it, guys. That's how you change the lids or the covers on both the Gamma Ergo and also the Gamma Evo. And these are the same steps. It doesn't matter if it's the Gamma or the Stylecraft. You can do them with both by following these exact same steps. So go out there, get your lids, and get to mix and matching and customizing your clippers to your liking and your style. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you really liked the video. I hope it really helped you guys out. It's your boy Yanni, signing out. Hey.